Hey guys, I just got a package in the mail. Gonna open it now. So this is a steering wheel hub, which I got from Germany so I'm gonna be installing the steering wheel I had when I was in America in my E30, which I bought at Formula Drift. Now it's time to install the steering wheel. So first we're gonna start by removing the negative ground on the battery. So there are two T30s at the back of the wheel. This is a single stage airbag. Next we're gonna be removing this plug here and then the center bolt. And you have to hold the steering wheel while you loosen it. I'm gonna use a wrench with an extension, and it's a 16mm. So before you pull the steering wheel off, you can see here that there's a center mark for the steering wheel there. So just keep it pretty much straight and then you can pull it off. So I have to use the connection of the airbag, so I just cut it off since I'm not going to be using this steering wheel again. And then I'm going to be connecting this, what I got with the wheel, to these two wires, and the other two wires with these on go to the horn button on the steering wheel. Now we can plug the connector here, feed the wires through the hole. So now I'm gonna install the steering wheel without the horn button, like this, just so I can tighten the nut in the middle, and then we'll figure out the horn button and connections. Now that the wheel is tightened a little bit, I can put the center bolt in. And then tighten it up. Now I'm gonna take the wheel off again and figure out the wiring. these are the two wires that come from the energy horn button, and one of them is a male and one is a female, but both of the wires on the wiring harness from the car are both female. So I'll have to cut one off and exchange it for a male. So because the green one is a smaller version than the purple, and the male from the horn button doesn't even fit in here, so I'm gonna cut this one off and replace it with a male connection. So now I'm connecting this female to this male and this male to this female. So the man behind the scenes, he connected the battery. Now we put all the wires in there. And then the circle around, and then bolt it in. So I had to remove the steering wheel again because the bolts were too long, and I'm using these that came with a hub.